If you hand over your gold, I will give you one of my best armor. You can prove yourself in battle. You see, we're assaulting the capital of Everlight. A rogue will open the gates, and we'll be able to attack the city from the inside.
But master, why don't you shoot some skeletons over the walls? You let them rise and they can clear the city from the inside.
I love the way you're thinking, boy. And I do have some minions perfect for the job. Get yourself ready for battle. Pathetic weaklings. This city will fall, and with it, your kingdom will fall.
This city won't fall. It's blessed with the light, and my sword will slay every enemy.
No king rules forever, and your time is about to come.
I won't be slain by some raised bones, skeleton. The light will bring us victory, and you will find your everlasting rest.
The light. It gives hope to your people, but with the destruction of the capital, the death of the king, hope will be changed into despair. Launch the skeletons. And I have another surprise. Arise, my minions, stand and fight. Bring victory at last for this evil night.
Rain! For Everlight!